What's up, guys? And I have news today, and very amazing news at that. And for the past couple of days, or for like a month or two, I've been talking about updates and stuff like that has been coming out. And one of the things that I don't really like about most of these updates coming out is they just keep giving us very cheap little features, and cheap little updates, and they call them features. But today I'm going to talk to you about an amazing app. You've probably never heard about this app before. You've not used it, you want to use it. At the end of this video, you're definitely going to go to the site and try it for yourself. Okay, and this app is called Clarisse. And in case you don't know what Clarisse is basically one of those industry standard tools that is used for set dressing and also rendering tons of geometry. So if you've used Katana before, if you know what Katana is, if you've used Katana before, or maybe you've been working in a scene or in some project, and at the end of the day you know that your computer cannot be able to render those intensive high geometry, so what you need to do, you just need to ship this to an app that takes care of this as its specialty. And Clarisse is one of those apps. Actually, I think I would prefer Clarisse over Katana. A lot of people have a lot of conversation and controversies about why Katana is better, why Clarisse is better, but I choose to stick with Clarisse for some reasons which you may probably find out. One of those reasons is it's very easy for you to get into, and today we've seen something that is really nice that is coming out from the guys at Isotropix. They just released Clarrise 4, and this is something that we all have been waiting for. Not so long ago we saw Clarisse 3.6, which had to do with you being able to connect your Substance stuff directly to Clarisse and all of that stuff. And we've also seen lots and lots of plugins coming into Clarisse. For example, we've seen the Yeti node, which simply means you can now work on your Yeti hair and render them in Clarisse. We've seen that of Speed Tree, and not so long ago, about I think 20th December or something like that last year, we saw that the Disney Principle shader is now supported directly in Clarisse. So a lot of development has been coming out from this, I think, French company, and it is very impressive for us to see them come out with something like this with a lot of updates. So for the updates, there are some stuff that they're talking about that is shipping with this. I'm also going to try as much as possible to show you the UI of Clarisse, just in case you want to work with it. And the cool thing with the Clarisse is they can give you a free version, which you can go over to their page and download. So if you go to isotropix.com, you can come over here, you can apply, you can sign in, apply, and get a free version. The only difference with the free version is you learn with this and you cannot use it for commercial purposes. Okay, you cannot use it for commercial purposes, that's it. But let's talk about the new stuff that came with Clarisse. Now the new stuff that is shipped with this one is they have a new transform manipulator, they have a new surface constraint, they also have something called the new playblast, they have something called the new volume display density cutoff. It's something that I have wanted to see in some of these apps that does a lot of rendering. They have the new multi scattering, which is super nice. I like the fact that these guys keep working on the volumetric stuff. They've also reworked the entire light stuff, so now we have IES light support, and the spotlight is also improved greatly. They have the new portal lights as well, and also they have the adaptive stuff. There's just a lot of things, and there's just a lot of things that keeps coming to Clarisse, and there is a lot they've worked on. Now, one of the things I am very excited about, just not to bore you with this new information, one of the things I'm excited about is the new USD support. They talked about this sometime last year, I think in a conference, where they had to show the differences between Alembic and USD. And in case you don't know what USD is, universal scene description. So what this simply is you get all your geometry inside one place, and it loads faster. It's quite easier for you to manipulate compared to Alembic. So all of those nastiness that you get with Alembic, most of them you don't get to find them when using the USD. And USD is principally I think created by Pixar, and I think they have some kind of collaboration for the iPhone. I think it's called ZUSD or something. I don't know. If you know what it is, you can put that in comment section for me to see. And they've worked on this particular stuff, and I like the fact that now they're putting this inside of Clarisse. I like the other thing that they've added, which has to do with the AOV handout. So now they can now hand out AOV when they're working, or when you're rendering. The multi-cameras is working fine. It has always worked fine. The new portal light is super clean. I like that as much. And I also like the new surface constraint. These are cool stuffs that are now in Clarisse. Previously, I cannot remember doing a playblast in Clarisse, but with this new feature, they're saying you can now playblast your stuff directly in Clarisse. So I don't know, have you tried Clarisse before? Is it something you're working with? Is it something you would want to work with later in future? Is it something you just want to try and see what it looks like? And I don't know what you guys think. I would like to know what you guys think about this. And in case you want to purchase, you can go over and you can find a permanent license if you want. And for all of these licenses, they have maintenance fee, which you can pay every single year. I don't know what you guys think about this particular thing that has to do with the payment system. I like the fact that you don't have to pay for subscription, but you have to pay for something called maintenance. And they also have a short-time rental. And I don't know, tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna put all the available links for you to find them here. I might also do a walkthrough tutorial about Clarisse. I don't know, tell me what you think in the comment section below. And if you like this video, simply give it a like and share with your friends. And until I see you guys next time with a rant, update, review, or something like this, peace.